Subscribe so I'll go on YouTube. It is time for another video where I'm going to talk the things that are on my mind. So for today, I'm talking about the Nicki Minaj and her husband, Mr. Petty, and that drama in Trinidad with Iwer George on that truck. So let's go. So every year you usually have celebrities who, you know, they fly down to Trinidad to partake in the festivities. So it was no surprise when Nicki Minaj decided to head to Trinidad to celebrate. But this year when she visited, she took her husband, Mr. Petty. So let me just set the stage. They are now on one of the trucks and they are moving through the streets dancing. So usually you have these bands, these trucks there, and you have the celebrities that are on top of it and they're just enjoying themselves. I guess them now have the time and the energy if you mix and mingle down in the crowd with everybody a bata and all of these things, okay? So now, Iwer George actually won the Soca Monarch song and he is like one of the veteran Soca artists in Trinidad. He has songs for days talking about water. So while on the truck now performing with Machel Montano, he was there and I guess he noticed that, you know, Nicki Minaj is there and Nicki Minaj seemed a little bit, like she wasn't really feeling the vibe. So he tried to go over to her now to kind of get her to be more in the celebratory mood that is his carnival. What in the name of Lady G is going on?
Ease up, breeze up.
Mr. Petty, G's and P, Mr. Petty, I understand that you want to protect Nicki Minaj, but you have to understand the Shreps, the girl is there to Soca. Did somebody not give you the memo and tell you exactly who Iwer George is? No, I'm from Jamaica and I'm not that, you know, fully familiar with Iwer George, but I know enough that he's a big artist. So I would have hoped that somebody on the truck are basically from what you're observing. You see the guy is there with Machel Montano. That must suggest to you that he's an artist, who he's a celebrity, he's there performing the song. And you have to kind of gauge how, you know, how aggressive you move towards him. No, look on Nicki Minaj's face. It's like she look on him and like she amends the type of ignorance for the man have. But you know them something the way it's not really 100%, but you love it same way for some reason. Yes, when we look on this, it's like it hit me saying Nicki Minaj and Mr. Petty coming like one mix-match couple pan Loving's Blind on Netflix.
I'm making the wrong decision.
Mr. Petty, when you pre him, he has a default face. It just constantly stuck pan toilet seat struggle. No, watch this. Nicki bring him come on good Trinidad Carnival, you know, and the brother is there. I go like say him I try audition for your work out of Buckingham Palace. No, you see all Iwer George I try for go around and engage Nicki Minaj. I saw Mr. Petty just today a black her off. No, look for the picture here, the meme here, where it look like say it was showing Nicki Minaj a reprimand the boy. You know, like when people get trouble and them get detention and them look at something there. This, no, look on her face, a proper reprimand him I get to know. Here what? You see, next time I go out, I don't want you to be disrespecting me, homeboy. I think Nicki likes to be the pretty ruler in her relationship. She likes to have men that are interchangeable and disposable. So like, serve your purpose. You know, like how some people have one dog and you said, go on man, protect the yard, watch the yard. And if you come in and you see the dog asleep, you just feel like the dog walk less and now waste the time because that's what the dog's supposed to do. Throw up the bone and make sure it's protect the yard. I think that is how Nicki Minaj tends to kind of position men in her life, where she likes to be the one where, you know, have the little kind and the money and the sort of dominance, but just kind of send them out for do the little protecting work that I guess men are designed to do. And that is why I guess this was amusing to her. And Mr. Petty, him just take him one job serious like them security guard with him come up on the first day and they make sure so them I write down every single license plate number and them I collect all of the name them, but you know like after a couple months time them stop them things there. Him new to the work, so me just think so we have to just kinda understand say this is just Mr. Petty's job and maybe we have to just cut him some slack, but hear what? you need to get some culture in, because you cannot be walking around with Queen Nicki Minaj like that and have this look on your face all the time like yes. You see, what she should have done is do a little 3-week training and give him like the rules and the regulations of Trinidad and Trinidad Carnival and how people interact. But like that's what I'm feeling like, if you're going to come down and try to enjoy Trinidad Carnival, you have to do a little research and understand the vibe, you have to understand the culture and come here with an open mind for just like fully enjoy it. I went to Trinidad Carnival last year and me I tell you, I thought it was just going to be about carelessness and gyrating, but when I got there and got to really feel a sense of the people there, you realize that Trinidad Carnival is all about celebrating love and togetherness. It's all about unity. When you see the kids them and everybody in the middle and you see the elderly jump out and everybody is just in this space enjoying the vibe and the movement. I was just like, this is exactly what it is. It is really not about the little skimpy and stuff. That togetherness, it's what soca is all about. So I only wish that, Mr. Petty, they kind of understand that fact and would have, just loosen up a little bit. Because I know it's a Safari when they are going so. Safari never did go on. So him probably would get Nicki Minaj for fling up her hand and actually loosen up instead of just stand up there like two little stooge want to do. So trust me, once that video got posted, whole heap of people online decided to come for Nicki and her husband. And Nicki is really trying to ensure that the public, likes her husband, but it's quite a struggle. So this is what she said to the complaint. Nicki Minaj said, "Oh God, all of you shitey, I gonna cuss you real face thing, no?" Oh, that is such a bad accent. But anyway, she said, "He don't understand anything about our culture. I apologize on his behalf. He's always in security mode. Oh, love my country to death. Love my people to death. Period. Hard face." And then she added, "I should have told him. It's a very comfortable family atmosphere. He's never been to a carnival in his life. Not even in Brooklyn, babe." I mean, I understand and, I guess, it's understandable, but say him not really go nowhere, so him never used to, a different setting or understand the Caribbean vibe. But no, say you're bad ignorant, you have to give him a little brief. You have to give him a little training, a little manuscript, or a little something for kind of follow. Instead you have him there, I put off, he's off soca legend like that, Iwer George. I must say Iwer George just say him not make nothing about it, so him just protect him woman. But no, him just never know who you be. And him never understand exactly what going on, so it just never make no sense at all to me. Him just need the culture in. Nigga should have whispered in them ears from before and tell them say, yo, them people are good. Anybody who is sleep on the truck here, people were supposed to there and nobody were going harm with. As simple as that. But you say Ludacris is a celebrity who him understand the type of soca vibe but not in the stuck-up settings. This is Luda and this is how you should come down as a celebrity and enjoy the vibe. Come on, you have context cues. You read, you can't read environment and just send certain things. I mean, come on. Come on. But, excuses for what it's worth. It's an excuse. It may not bite. So let me know what you thought about the entire video with Nicki Minaj and her husband and Iwer George. Sound off below. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Turn on post notification. If you're new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe. I will try to build up the subscribers. And also to leave a comment and just talk what you thought about this whole entire situation. Okay, people, take care until next time.